Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning, and I believe you're all doing great by the grace of God. If you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome, and I believe you will join us after watching this video till the end. Today, family, we are making ZOMI palm oil, which is a popular request by some of you, my family. So let's get started. This oil tastes better than the ordinary palm oil, and I hope you like it. So let's get into the video. All you need is palm nut fruit, and here is mine in a package. I'm going ahead to remove them from the package, wash them nicely, and add them to the saucepan and cook them till they are well cooked. I'll keep checking on this for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's well cooked. When the palm fruit is tender enough, I'll then drain off the water, set it aside, and then work on it when it's warm or completely cool down. When the palm nut fruit is well cooked, you can easily separate the fruit from the kernel, and we are doing just that. So we can just start pounding to separate all of the kernels from the palm fruit. Since I don't have the mortar and the pestle, guys, I had to improvise, and this is how I'm doing it, and I'm doing just fine. You just watch it, you will see it. It's not that difficult, and it's not that hard at all. But I only needed to be careful because I'm using glass bowl. So you can even use any rubber bowl to do this, and you'll be just fine. Wow, in no time, we are done pounding. Now I'm going to add warm water to the mashed palm nut fruit, and I'll mix it nicely together. I'll then separate the palm kernel from the mashed palm fruit. So we are separating the palm kernel from the palm nut fruit chaff, and I'm still using my hand to still mash the palm nut fruit chaff in order to extract more juice from the chaff. But I'll still use the blender to do more extraction since I feel like I haven't been able to extract more juice from the palm nut fruit. Do not discard the palm kernel. You can use it to make your palm kernel oil. So watch out, a video of that is coming very soon on the channel. So if you are curious to know how I'm going to make my palm kernel oil, and if you are not following me on my Facebook page and you haven't also subscribed to my YouTube channel, then kindly do so in order not to miss out whenever I upload the videos. And so far, if you're enjoying this video and it's helpful, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. And if you are new, you are warmly welcome. I hope you are enjoying this video. So please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to be notified whenever I upload new videos and to join this amazing family to enjoy our recipes, and I'm hopeful you will never ever regret this. It's time to separate the chaff from the juice, and we are using the strainer to do this. Continue doing this until you see no chaff in the juice. So you can do this for about 5 times if possible to make sure that the juice is so free from the chaff, okay? Most of the time, some of the palm juice gets stuck in the chaff, so make sure you rinse the chaff as much as possible in order to extract all the juice from it until it's pale. Let the chaff suffer, let it look pale, then you know that you have extracted all the juice from the chaff, like I'm doing, and make sure to use warm water, okay? So guys, if you didn't know, this is how to separate the palm juice from the palm nut fruit. It's that simple. Though a little bit of work is involved. So when it comes to the chaff, you can easily discard it. Gone are the days when we use it to set our fire at home. But now I don't think we use it anymore. So just discard it and then be free unless you have other uses for it. So now guys, We are going to be straining the palm nut fruit juice for about 5 times in order to get rid of all the chaff that might have its way in the juice. We are already done straining some portion of the palm nut fruit juice, so let's pour it in the saucepan and start boiling it and continue straining the rest of the palm nut fruit juice so there's no chaff in it. So if you look at the palm nut fruit juice in the yellow bowl closely, you will see that there is some residue at the bottom of it. Just discard it and not add it to the one in the saucepan, okay? We don't need all of that. So we are still going to continue straining our palm nut fruit juice, and when we are done, we will come back and add it to the one here on the cooker top. When you are doing the straining, make sure to use warm water so that you don't let all the palm nut fruit juice and the palm oil to stain your bowls or to get stuck in the bowls that you are using to prepare the palm nut fruit juice and palm oil. Finally, we are done straining all the palm nut fruit juice from the palm nut fruits. We're going to add this to the one on the cooker top and we will let it boil till all the water dries out. Clearly, we can all see that the palm oil has already formed on top of the palm nut fruit juice, and the water has already dried out and it's really gone down. The palm nut fruit juice is already taken up, and I like this. I like the amazing smell. The aroma is so amazing. So, guys, you're going to collect the palm oil from the top of the palm nut fruit juice. Wow, this smells so good, guys. You can also use the second up palm nut fruit juice for your palm nut soup or palm nut stew. And I have an amazing palm nut soup recipe coming your way very soon, so stick and stay and check it out. And I'm so sure you will love the recipe. After collecting the palm oil from the top of the palm nut paste, I'm going to put the palm nut paste in a bowl. Keep that in the freezer for later use. Wow, smells so amazing. The palm oil will still be on the cooker top whilst I add some natural seasonings to enhance the aroma and taste of the palm oil. And they are cloves, green cardamom pods, bay leaves, minced peppercorns, and grain of selim. I'm going to wash them and add it to the palm oil. So they are back and nicely washed. I'm adding it to the palm oil to enhance the taste, as I said, and then the aroma will be so magical. Now, family, I wish you were here to smell the beautiful aroma of this palm oil. When you use this for your stews, perfect. This is so amazing and magical. Wow. 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 Add a little bit of salt to taste and not too much, just a little bit. And guys, you are good to go. This is how I make my ZOMI palm oil, and this is so perfecto for your stews. Oh my goodness, guys. So now guys, this palm oil is ready and I'm going to turn the heat off for it to cool down, and then I just transfer it into a dry container, use it for my dishes. Wow, this is amazing. The aroma is so mind-blowing. I like it. And wow, guys, just try this. If you haven't used any of these seasonings in your palm oil before, try it. Just infuse the seasonings in the palm oil and you will love the aroma of it. And you will love the flavor as well. I'm going to add a little bit of the palm oil on top of the palm nut paste. Keep it in the freezer for my palm nut soup later on, yeah? Wow. Guys, so just like that, we are all done making our palm oil, our ZOMI palm oil. I'm so excited to have shared this with you. I hope you've learned something and you've been inspired. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. And if you are watching my video for the first time, you are warmly welcome. Please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this amazing family and enjoy our recipes. Be notified and be updated whenever I upload new videos. Lovely people, this is the end of the video and I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Thank you all for your time. Thank you for watching till this point. Ghanaians love our ZOMI oil and I'm not an exception at all. That is why I've shown you how I make my ZOMI oil. So if you haven't tried this before, give this a try. Add my natural seasonings and you see the difference. They will let your palm oil taste amazing and you will love it forever. Now you can discard the black residue and keep your beautiful and aromatic palm oil in a dry and cool place. Guys, thank you all for watching. And until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, enjoy. Bye all. Mwah. Kiss.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.